Just took half a gummy.
A few minutes later.
Black pepper and what was her friend's name? Something salt? White salt.
I'm gonna just search and white salt. Right.
Wait. Oh, what have they done?
Chili pepper.
Chili pepper. I'm sorry.
Alexis. That was super wrong.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell.
Oof. Oh, and you can all...
What was that?
I don't know.